Hello students, today we are going to today we are going to revise the second lesson of the geography, that is globe, latitudes and longitudes. In our previous session, we have revised the first lesson of the geography, the earth in the solar system, and we had studied the earth's position in the solar system. But now today we are going to revise the second lesson of the geography, that is globe, latitudes and the longitudes. So let's see the exercise questions of these lessons. Already we had studied this lesson, we had completed this lesson. Now we are going to revise the question answers, exercise question answers of this lesson. So students, see on your screen there are questions of this chapter. See the first question. Question first, answer the following questions briefly. What is the true shape of the earth? This is the first question. What is the true shape of the earth? Earthचा खरा शेप कोणता आहे? Let's see the answer. The earth looks spherical in shape, but it's slightly flattened at the north and the south pole and bulges at the equator due to the outward force caused by the rotation of the earth. The shape of the earth is described as a geoid, meaning the earth-like shape. See the question of this answer is, the shape of the earth is described as a geoid, meaning on earth-like shape. Geoid means what? थोडासा एका साईडला झुकलेला, थोडासा वरून आणि खालून स्लाइटली फ्लॅट असलेला असा हा जिओइड शेप, वरून नॉर्थ पोल अँड साऊथ पोल थोडासा स्लाइट असलेला आणि एका साईडला झुकलेला असा हा जिओइड शेप. देन सी सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हॉट इज ग्लोब? ग्लोब म्हणजे काय? ग्लोब इज अ ट्रू मॉडेल ऑफ मिनिएचर फॉर्म ऑफ द अर्थ. इट इज यूज स्टडी द अर्थ ॲज अ होल. इट शोज कॉन्टिनेंट्स, कंट्रीज अँड ओशन्स. सी ग्लोब म्हणजे काय? ग्लोब इज अ ट्रू मॉडेल और मिनिएचर फॉर्म ऑफ द अर्थ. अर्थचा प्रतिकात्मक तयार केली गेलेली प्रतिकृती म्हणजेच अर्थ. as well as you may have seen in the school, these are the globes. See here it is used to study the earth. हा ग्लोबचा वापर कशासाठी होतो? तर टू स्टडी द अर्थ ॲज अ होल. अर्थचा अभ्यास करण्यासाठी आपण ही प्रतिकृती किंवा हा मिनिएचर फॉर्म अर्थचा वापरतो, हे मॉडेल वापरतो. इट शोज, त्याच्यावर आपल्याला काय काय दिसतं? कॉन्टिनेंट्स, कंट्रीज अँड ओशन्स. सी as we have, there is a picture in our textbook of the globe. Generally we use this globe at the time of geography, at the time of earth. Then third question, what is the latitudinal value of the tropic of cancer? Tropic of cancer ची व्हॅल्यू काय? See, the tropic of cancer lies 23 and 5 degree north of the equator. See, this is the latitudinal value of the tropic of cancer. Tropic of cancer is upside of the equator. It means that it comes in the north pole and its value is 23.5 degree north of the equator. इक्वेटरच्या वरच्या साईडला असलेला नॉर्थ पोलमध्ये असणारा हा ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कॅन्सर. आपण मराठीमध्ये त्याला कर्कवृत्त असंही म्हणतो. देन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, व्हॉट आर द 3 हिट झोन्स ऑफ द अर्थ? अर्थचे 3 हिट झोन्स कोणते? फॉलोइंग, सी द आन्सर. Following are the 3 heat zones of the earth. First one is torrid zone, second one the temperate zone, and the third one the frigid zone. These are the important heat zones, or the 3 heat zones of the earth: the torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Then next question E, what are the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude? We have studied, students, just see, remind once again all the things in your mind. What are the parallels of latitude? We have seen the parallels of latitude as well as the meridians of longitude. See, parallels of latitudes means what? Parallels of latitudes we have studied as well as you may have drawn this diagram in your notebook, latitudes and longitudes. Let's first revise the latitudes, parallels of latitudes. See, all parallel circles, I'm going to explain parallels of latitudes. Listen carefully. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called the parallels of latitudes. आपल्याला ज्या ग्लोबवर ज्या पॅरलल लाईन्स दिसतात गोल गोल असणाऱ्या इक्वेटरला समांतर असणाऱ्या त्या लाईन्सनाच म्हटलं जातं पॅरलल्स ऑफ लॅटिट्यूड्स. ऑल पॅरलल सर्कल्स, जे सर्कल्स इक्वेटर सारखेच असतात आणि ते वरपर्यंत जातात आणि खालीपर्यंतही जातात, म्हणजे नॉर्थ पोलकडेही जातात आणि साऊथ पोलकडे जातात, गोल गोल असणारे सर्कल्स. ऑल पॅरलल सर्कल्स फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर अप टू द पोल्स आर कॉल्ड parallels of latitudes. And students, these latitudes are measured in the degrees. These are the parallels of latitudes. And meridians of longitudes means what? See, meridians of longitudes means what? See, the lines we have seen, we have already studied it. The lines of references running from the north pole to the south pole, म्हणजे वरून खाली येणाऱ्या लाईन्स, north pole to the south pole. These lines of references are called meridians of longitude. See, parallels गोल गोल असतात, इक्वेटरला समांतर गोल गोल असतात आणि लॉंगिट्यूड्स कसे असतात तर वरून नॉर्थ पोल करून खाली साऊथ पोलकडे येणाऱ्या रनिंग लाईन्स. सी, दी रनिंग लाईन्स ऑफ रेफरन्सेस आर कॉल्ड द longitudes. So let's see the question. What are the parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes? See, all parallel circles from equator, same answer is there. All parallel circles from the equator to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. Latitudes are measured in degrees. And see, the lines of references running from the north pole to the south pole are called the meridians of longitudes. Longitudes are also measured in the degrees. Same answer is there. See, parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitude. I hope you understood it. Then next question. Why does the torrid zone receive the maximum amount of the heat? Torrid zone मध्ये सगळ्यात मॅक्सिमम हीट आपल्याला का दिसते? लेट्स सी द रिझन. द एरिया between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is known as the torrid zone. See, once again I am going to repeat. See, the area between the Tropic of Cancer, which is upside, and the Tropic of Capricorn, which is downside of the equator, is known as the torrid zone. बरोबर सेंटरला असलेला ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कॅन्सर आणि ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कॅप्रिकॉर्न यांच्या मधोमध असलेला जो एरिया आहे त्याला टॉरिड झोन म्हणतात. द मिड डे सन इज एक्झॅक्टली ओव्हरहेड ॲट लिस्ट वन्स अ इयर ऑन ऑल दीज लॅटिट्यूड्स. दिस एरिया रिसिव्ज द मॅक्सिमम अमाऊंट ऑफ हीट. आणि बरोबर सूर्याच्या समोर येणारा हा भाग असल्यामुळे आपल्या अर्थचा तिथं आपल्याला मॅक्सिमम हीट बघायला मिळते. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Why is it 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon and in London? We have to know the reason. See, 5:30 p.m. आपल्या भारतामध्ये जेव्हा 5:30 वाजलेले असतात, संध्याकाळचे 5:30 वाजलेले असतात, तेव्हाच लंडनमध्ये 12 वाजलेले असतात. Why? What is the reason behind this? Let's see. See, in London, the Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. You should know the full form of GMT. GMT means what? Greenwich Mean Time is followed. The Indian Standard Meridian is located 82 and 5 degree east of the prime meridian. That is 0 degree. Thus, the Indian Standard Time, IST, we follows the IST, Indian Standard Time. It means IST is 5 years and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So, when it is 12 noon in London, it is 5:30 in India. This is the reason that there is a time difference between these two, India and the London. Now let's see, take the correct answer. The next question. The value of the prime meridian is, see, the value of the prime meridian is 0 degree. I am going to read the only correct answer. The value of the prime meridian is 0 degree. Then the frigid zone lies near, see, the frigid zone lies near the poles. Frigid zone lies near the poles. Poles means the North Pole and the South Pole. There is a frigid zone. The total number of longitudes are, longitudes किती आहेत? The total number of longitudes are 360. There are total number of longitudes are 360. The Antarctic Circle is located in, see, the Antarctic Circle is located in the southern hemisphere. Antarctic Circle आपल्याला कुठे बघायला मिळतं तर southern, see, southern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle, that is the downside. The Antarctic Circle is located in the southern hemisphere. The grid is a network of, the next question, the grid of a network is parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. See, the grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and the meridians of longitudes. Let's see the last question. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23 and 5 degrees south of the equator. Tropic of Capricorn कुठं आहे बघा. Tropic of Capricorn, it is a upside of the equator, 23½ degree north. Then Tropic of Capricorn is located, see, the Tropic of Capricorn is located in 23½ degree and south, and Tropic of Cancer is located in 23½ degree north. Then the standard meridian of India, see, the standard meridian of India is 82 and 5 degree east. The correct answer is the standard meridian of India is 82 and 5 degree east. The zero meridian is also known, as the prime meridian. Yes, the zero meridian is also known as the prime meridian. The distance between the longitudes decreases towards the poles. See, the distance between the longitudes मध्ये असलेलं जे distance आहे decrease म्हणजे कमी होत जातं towards the pole. The last one, the Arctic Circle is located in the northern hemisphere. See, the Arctic Circle, that is above, upside of the equator. The Arctic Circle is located in the northern hemisphere. See students, in this way we have completed the exercise review of the second lesson of the geography, globe, latitudes and longitudes. So once again you should read all lesson carefully, as well as try to read all the question answers of these lessons, and you should complete it in your notebook. Okay, till then, take care.